Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. So, according to the latest news, the new Galaxy S25 Ultra will feature a brighter display, claims tipster. On the other hand, Samsung Galaxy S25 colors revealed Ultra to stick with a titanium finish. Samsung is preparing to launch its next flagship, the Galaxy S25 series, which is expected to debut in early 2025. According to recent leaks and rumors, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will come with several notable upgrades, particularly in its display, design, and performance. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. In the latest news, tipster Ice Universe claims that the phone will offer a higher peak brightness, more accurate colors, and a larger viewing angle. Although, he didn't reveal any specific numbers. One of the key highlights of the S25 Ultra is going to be the refreshed flat display. The device is rumored to have a 6.86-inch panel, slightly larger than the 6.8-inch display on the S24 Ultra. Reports suggest that this new screen could see a brightness boost of around 20 to 30%, potentially reaching 3100 to 3400 nits, which would be a significant upgrade from the 2600 nit peak brightness of its predecessor. However, we should take this information with a pinch of salt. This improvement could be achieved using Samsung's new M14 OLED material, which is expected to deliver enhancements in color accuracy, viewing angles, and brightness. On the other hand, Samsung Galaxy S25 colors revealed Ultra to stick with a titanium color finish. Today, a new report about the device's looks popped up on X, where analyst Ross Young revealed the base colors of the trio. It seems like sparkling blue and sparkling green will be the hero colors of both the Galaxy S25 and Galaxy S25 Plus, while the Galaxy S25 Ultra will stick to titanium-named options. The new Samsung Galaxy S25 will get Moonlight Blue, Silver Shadow, Sparkling Blue, and Sparkling Green finishes. Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus will receive Midnight Black, Moonlight Blue, Silver Shadow, Sparkling Blue, and Sparkling Green color options. The premium Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra will be available in Titanium Black, Titanium Blue, Titanium Gray, and Titanium Silver color variants. Samsung is ditching the yellow and violet options from the S24 portfolio, but some fans might not be happy that while all S25 phones will get a blue option, the Ultra will be missing the green paint job. It is reported that the new Galaxy S25 line will officially launch early next year. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.